Okay, so it's time to change the oil in my 2016 Honda Pilot. And I did see one video. It's not really hard to do, but I figured why not? I'll just make another one. Anyways, so what I'm going to do first is drive up on those ramps right there. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is drain the oil from the oil pan and pull the old filter out. Now I'm using the Mobile One. It was on sale at AutoZone for like 29 bucks for a 5-quart and filter. So it's synthetic. And I thought I would go this route. Last time the dealer actually used a blend, and on the forums it's kind of all over the place. Some people say use the blend, some say use conventional, some say use synthetic. So I'm gonna go with the synthetic this time because I don't want to have to change the oil as often. Anyways, so yeah, it's supposed to take 5.7 quarts. All right, got my oil pan. So here is the oil pan and the engine oil plug. Now, did you see that oil engine little arrow right there? Yep, it's idiot proof, so really easy to change oil. So I should be able to. And there's the canister filter. Now it takes a 17 millimeter socket. Oh, there we go. Now to not spill all over the place, I would raise the pan, the dump pan all the way and a little trick, because it'll start coming out when you're undoing the bolt, just keep it pushed in there while you're unscrewing it. Keep pressure on it, and then there it goes. Aha. You still get some on you, but this one it's not too bad. Yeah. Alright, time for the filter. Now some say use this or that to take off the filter, but real men use their bare hands. Okay, bare gloved hands, but there we go. That's what I'm talking about. No need for no filter wrench. What? In a little bit. Alright, you drain it and wipe everything down. Okay, so next what you want to do is fill the oil. Now again, they kind of made this idiot proof, I guess, because I also saw discussions on forums of which oil to use on this thing. And it says right there, I don't know if you can see that, it says 0W20. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like any of my videos, and if not, just subscribe anyway, it's free.